Lisa from lisasfoodaddiction.com. Today on Lisa's Food Addiction, we are keeping it super light yet still very delicious. We are going to be making this cheeseburger salad. That's right guys, we're going to swap out that carb heavy cheeseburger and replace it with this super bomb cheeseburger salad that's guaranteed to satisfy. So let's get started. First off, we're going to start by adding some vegetable oil into a pot along with some white onions. After we've done that, we're going to add in our ground beef and bring that up to heat to begin cooking. Once we have all of our ingredients in the pot, we're going to cook our ground beef until it becomes brown. Once it has browned, we're going to remove the ground beef and we're going to drain it. This is going to make sure that we remove any excess oil, any excess fat, any excess grease from our ground beef before we move on to add our other ingredients. Now that we have done that, it's time to season up our ground beef. Here I am going in with some A1 sauce. I also have a variety of spices, the usual onion powder, garlic powder. In there I also have some chili powder and some ground paprika. Once you've added all of your ingredients, you want to go ahead and give that a good mix, and we're going to continue to let this ground beef cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until it is nice and golden brown. Once you are done guys, grab a bowl and set your ground beef aside, and now we are going to move on to make our special sauce for our cheeseburger salad. For our special sauce, here I have a variety of ingredients, all typical things that you would see on a cheeseburger. In a mixing bowl, we have some ketchup, mayo, sweet relish. We're also going to add in some yellow mustard along with some seasonings, of course, and we're also going to add in a tiny bit of white sugar. Once we have all of those awesome ingredients in our mixing bowl, you want to go ahead and grab a whisk, a fork, or a spoon, anything to mix this up really well. We want to make sure we get all of our ingredients incorporated, and once you have, it's going to be super creamy like this. It kind of looks like Thousand Island dressing, and guys, my sister, when she tasted this, she was like, is this Thousand Island? And I'm like, actually girl, I actually made this dressing homemade in my own kitchen. Believe it or not guys, the hard part is over. All that's left to do is to cut up all of our ingredients for our salad. Here I have just a plain old regular iceberg lettuce. We're going to chop that up along with a purple onion. And guys, I decided to use purple onion instead of white onion because I don't know, sometimes white onion to me can be a bit too strong, but purple onion or red onion has like the perfect balance of oniony flavor and like settledness, if that makes sense. And also guys, comment down below, do you call it a purple onion or a red onion? Here we also have some cherry tomatoes that we're going to go ahead and slice up. Once you are done with your cherry tomatoes, we're going to move on to our bread and butter pickles. Guys, these pickles, oh my gosh, are so freaking good. Oh my gosh, they're sweet. They're not superly sweet like relish, but they're amazing. Anyways, we gotta keep cooking. Next, we are going to begin layering our cheeseburger salad. So in a salad bowl, here I have the iceberg lettuce that we chopped up earlier. I'm also going to go in with our purple onion. Once you have those ingredients in, we're going to add in our sliced cherry tomatoes. I really tried to make this salad look as pretty as possible. It is not the best dish when it comes to the eye, but let me tell you, it is so good. You really want to try this, especially if you're like a huge cheeseburger fan. It definitely tastes like a Big Mac in salad form. So yeah, not that cute on the eye, but it's definitely very good. To finish layering our cheeseburger salad, we're going to go in and add our bread and butter pickles. Oh, so good. We're also going to add in some cubed mild cheddar and some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Now, I added cubed and shredded cheese to my salad because that's just how I like it. I like to bite into the cubes of cheese, but if you do not want both, if you want to save a couple dollars, feel free to pick one. Feel free to pick whatever cheese that you love, whether it be provolone, Colby Jack, mozzarella. feel free to pick whatever type of cheese that you want to eat on your cheeseburger salad. So as you guys can see, I was struggling with this squeeze bottle. The dressing was not cooperating, it was not coming out. But guess what, guys? I still got it on there, and guess what else? You're right, we are done with this recipe. This salad was super quick, super easy, and I promise you, it is super delicious. It tastes just like a cheeseburger, like a Big Mac. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hanging out and cooking with me. If you did, hit that notification bell so you'll always be aware of future uploads. Until next time, y'all, always remember, if I can cook it, anyone can. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!